Welcome everyone to another Clarity Night, Friday night, and I'm so happy to see you all over here. And the topic for today is everyone remembers what are we going to speak about? Your favorite subject, something that you hold so close to your heart, pain. So, everything that brought up, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all? Times a godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So each one of you on the call, we all have gone through some pain in our life. कोई तकलीफ, कोई दर्द से हम सब गुजरे हैं. Be it physical pain that you experience in your body or an emotional pain, दिल का दर्द, or financial pain or any other kind of pain which was uncomfortable to you and you just wanted to get rid of it somehow. So everything that does not allow you to laugh at your pain and make it light and insignificant, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So, does anyone want to speak about their pain and what it means to them? Whatever you are going through, which you consider, when I speak about pain, that is what comes up in your universe. आपको वो चीज़ ध्यान में आती है कि ये मेरा दर्द है, ये पेन है मेरा और वो नहीं जा रहा है. आप कुछ भी कर लें उसके लिए, it's not going away. It could be the pain of losing someone in your life, losing your business, losing money, losing a person, losing a relationship, or anything else.
May I, ma'am?
Yes, please.
जो अभी रिसेंटली 2 दिन से मैं फेस कर रही हूँ मेरे बेटे से, पता
Hmm.
नहीं क्यों वो इस तरह से नाराज हो गया, इतना नाराज हो गया और इस तरह का बोल रहा है. वो तो ऐसा है ही नहीं. मैं नहीं समझ पा रही हूँ, बहुत तकलीफ हो
वो
रही है.
तो हाँ, so यामिनी वो तो ऐसा है ही नहीं, that is a point of view. ना? So all the projections and expectations that you have of your son, first of all, कि आपका बेटा कैसा है और कैसा नहीं है, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion. Right and
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, or nine shorts, boys and beyonds. तो आपका आप like are you willing to allow your son to be every energy whatever he wishes to be? Are you
Yes.
willing to be in allowance of him? आप बिना
Yes.
जजमेंट में जाए आप उसके टोटल अलाउंस में रह सकते हैं क्या? कि इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, आई हैव दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि मेरा बेटा मेरी बेइज्जती कर रहा है, वो इस तरह से मुझसे बात कर रहा है, जो कि एक माँ से बेटे को बात करना सही नहीं है.
Yes, ma'am. I do.
Everything that is times a godzillion, everything that brought up times a godzillion, will you please destroy and create it all? Times a, yeah, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. तो अभी पहले तो आप देखें कि कुछ भी चीज़ लाइक कोई कोई सिचुएशन है लाइफ में, वो भी आपको पेन दे सकती है, जैसे कि अभी यामिनी को दे रही है एक सिचुएशन. और यामिनी आप ये भी इस भी अवेयरनेस में रहें कि आप अभी बहुत ज़्यादा क्लियरिंग्स में हैं डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट्स की. तो बहुत सारी अवेयरनेस आपकी लाइफ में शो अप होगी, बहुत सारी चीज़ें वो सारी चीज़ें जिसको आप देखना नहीं चाहते हैं, वो सब सामने उभर के आएँगी. तो क्या आप अपनी डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट्स की भी क्लियरिंग्स करते रहिए अपने बेटे के साथ में. सो ऑल द डिस्ट्रैक्टर इम्प्लांट्स that are creating this situation between you and your son, Will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a quadrillion?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I do.
Wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shots, poison beyonds. So, all the pains that you have in your life is your creation. Like everything else in your life, पेन भी आपकी ही इजाद की हुई चीज है, आपने बनाया है, आप लाए हो, क्योंकि आप किसी एक सिचुएशन को, किसी चीज को, जो आपके बॉडी में किसी सेंसेशन को, किसी डिस्कम्फर्ट को आपने नाम दिया कि ये पेन है। आपने नाम दिया कि ये पेन है, अदरवाइज वो पेन नहीं था। एवरीथिंग दैट यू एक्सपीरियंस इज एज पेन is actually, and what, can someone tell me what it is? It's an awareness.
Awareness.
Yes. So every situation, everything that you experience, it's an awareness. Even the pain in your body, everything that you call as disease, दिस ईज, है ना, जो जहाँ पे कि आपको ईज नहीं है, वो सारी चीजें जो इलनेस है, इट्स एन इंटेंसिटी ऑफ अवेयरनेस। सो योर बॉडी इज कम्युनिकेटिंग टू यू ऑल द टाइम। आप बॉडी आपको बोलना चाह रही है, आप सुन नहीं रहे हो, आप पूछ भी नहीं रहे हो बॉडी से कि बॉडी को क्या चाहिए है, और फिर वो जब इंटेंसिटी से वो अवेयरनेस देती है, मतलब आपको मजबूर कर देती है कि आप मेरी तरफ ध्यान दो, और फिर वो आपको अपीयर होता है, आप उसको नाम दे देते हो, उस इंटेंसिटी को हम नाम दे देते हैं अवेयरनेस का। तो जो सिचुएशन यामिनी आपके और आपके बेटे के बीच में अभी चल रही है, वो क्या अवेयरनेस आपको देना चाह रही है, जिसको कि अगर आप ले लेंगे तो वो पेन की तरह आपको अपीयर नहीं होगी। तो अवेयरनेस के साथ में बस एक ही चीज़ है कि जब भी आपको अवेयरनेस आ रही है और आप उसको इग्नोर करने की कोशिश किए जा रहे हैं, आप इग्नोर करते चलते हैं, इग्नोर करते हैं, इग्नोर करते हैं, जब तक कि वो पेन नहीं बन जाती है, और फिर आप उसको, जब वो इतनी ज़्यादा फोर्स के साथ में, इंटेंसिटी के साथ में आपकी लाइफ में आने लगती है वो अवेयरनेस, कि फिर आप उसको बोलते हैं कि ये पेन है। या तो यामिनी, क्या आप वो अवेयरनेस को लेने के लिए तैयार हैं? और जब आप उसको एक्नॉलेज कर लेते हैं, आप रिसीव कर लेते हैं वो अवेयरनेस को, वो पेन को होने की ज़रूरत नहीं रहती है। वो पेन कई बार बिना कुछ करे, मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स, 99% ऑफ द टाइम्स, आपको कुछ करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है। जैसे ही आपने उसको एक्नॉलेज कर लिया, आपने उसको सुन लिया, वो चला जाएगा आपकी लाइफ से। तो क्या वो चीज़ चेंज होने की ज़रूरत है आपके और आपके बेटे की रिलेशनशिप के बीच में, यामिनी, जो कि आप, जिसकी कि आप अवेयरनेस अभी नहीं ले पा रहे हैं। तो व्हाट इज दिस, व्हाट कैन आई डू विद दिस अबाउट इट?
Yes.
कैन यू आस्क द यूनिवर्स टू गिव यू दैट अवेयरनेस, या फिर आपको ऑलरेडी मालूम है, आप जानती हैं, आपको अवेयरनेस है, और आप उसको स्वीकार नहीं कर रहे हैं? And everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, will you please destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion? Right and wrong,
Yes.
good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shots, poison neons. यामिनी, आपका बेटा कितना बड़ा है?
12 plus है. And we are very good friends.
So
That's
he's
better.
going to be, he's almost like a teenager,
Yeah.
है ना? He's a
Hmm.
teenager. So how much, like, टीनेजर्स जो होते हैं, जब वो उस एज में पहुंचते हैं, उनको अपनी सोच चाहिए रहती है कि मैं इंडिपेंडेंट हूँ, मैं अलग हूँ, और मैं अब बड़ा हो गया हूँ। तो आपको कितना ज़्यादा उसके साथ और अलाउंस में रहना है, और उसके ऊपर से अपना कंट्रोल हटाना है, और आपको उसका फ्रेंड बनना है, न कि उसकी माँ बनना है।
हम ऑलरेडी मैम फ्रेंड ही हैं. ज़्यादा करके मैं इसी को जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि तुम मुझे बताओ तो मैं कैसे करूँ? किस तरह करूँ? भले ही मैं जानती हूँ, फिर भी मैं उसका एक्सपीरियंस बढ़े, उसको अवेयरनेस बढ़े, उसका नॉलेज बढ़े, इसके लिए मैं उसको बोलती रहती हूँ, बट पता नहीं क्या बात है, 2-3
आप
दिन कभी
पहले
नहीं।
हाँ, तो आपने जहाँ भी
आज
ये पढ़ा है, सो एवरीवेयर यू हैव दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दैट यू नो मोर एंड योर चाइल्ड नोस लेस, और आप उसको उस तरह से पूछते हैं ताकि उसकी अवेयरनेस बढ़े। जहाँ पे भी आप ये कंक्लूड कर रहे हैं कि आपको ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस है और उसको कम अवेयरनेस है। विल यू प्लीज नाउ डिस्ट्रॉय एंड क्रिएट इट ऑल टाइम्स गॉड से।
यस आई डू।
Right and wrong, good and bad, pod and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So, Yamini, our children, even my children, like all of us who have kids, even if they have like uh, if they are in small bodies, or if they have spent less time in bodies ऑन दिस अर्थ, मतलब कि वो आपसे उम्र में छोटे हैं, उनको अपनी बॉडी में आए कम टाइम हुआ है उसका, और आपने कंक्लूड कर दिया कि इसलिए उनकी अवेयरनेस कम है और आपकी अवेयरनेस ज़्यादा है। और आपका आपकी ड्यूटी बनती है, आपका फर्ज बनता है कि आप उनको वो सब सिचुएशंस आप उनकी लाइफ में क्रिएट करें, वो सब सवाल पूछें जो कि उसको उनको अवेयरनेस देंगे। तो आप ये मान लीजिए, समझ लीजिए यामिनी, कि जब आप उससे वो क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, उसको पहले ही समझ में आ जाता है कि आप उसको जानबूझ के वो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, आप उसको कुछ सिखाना चाह रहे हैं। तो अब वो टीनेजर बन रहा है, उसको उसको आपको वो सारे जो जैसे आप पहले उससे बात करते थे, वो आपको अब वो नहीं काम नहीं करेगा। सो एवरीवेयर you are not allowing your relationship with your son to change as he is growing up and as he is becoming a teenager. Will you please now destroy and uncreate it all? Times the God saving.
यस आई डू।
Wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shots, poison. And what will it take for you to have the awareness of what exactly your son is looking for and all the hormonal changes that he is going through, all the confusions that he is going through as a teenager, which is putting him himself into a lot of trauma and drama. So all the projections and expectations that you have as a mother for your son, will you please now destroy and create it all times a person?
यस आई डू।
Right, wrong, good and bad, good and pop, or nine shorts, boys and girls. Would you like to just allow him to
यस मैम।
and just acknowledge that this period is most of the times like it's a difficult period for children as well. ये वाली एज उनके लिए भी मुश्किल होती है, उनको भी नहीं समझ आता है कि क्या चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, बॉडी में जो चेंजेस हो रहे हैं, वो बड़ा बनना चाहते हैं, पर तो भी उनके वो उतने भी बड़े नहीं हुए हैं। तो आप उनके साथ में क्या ऐसी एनर्जी हो सकते हैं विदाउट एनी जजमेंट, इन टोटल अलाउंस, which would create lot of ease with you and him. So all the pain of relationship that you are going through with your son, will you please now destroy and create it all times a God say. And
यस आई डू।
everything that does not allow you to receive the awareness of this changing relationship, will you please now destroy and create it all times a God say. Right and
यस
wrong, good
आई
and
डू।
bad, good and poor, or nine shots, boys and beyonds. So access में एक प्रोसेस है जो अभी मतलब गैरी ने दी है। अ, पिछले 6-7 महीने पहले आई है ये प्रोसेस, फ्रैकिंग की प्रोसेस। आपको पता है यामिनी, हाउ मेनी लाइक मेनी ऑफ यू माइट बी अवेयर ऑफ फ्रैकिंग, fracking the pain, and like fracking is a terminology from the mining industry. जब रॉक्स में से डीप डाउन, रॉक्स में से जब उनको तोड़ के और उसमें से जब ऑयल एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है, तो वहां पे एक प्रोसेस यूज की जाती है फ्रैकिंग की। तो जब फ्रैक करते हैं रॉक को तो उसमें से ऑयल बाहर आता है। तो जो आपका पेन है वो भी रॉक की तरह है, जो कि एक बहुत हेवी चीज है जो आपकी बॉडी पे रखी गई है या आपके बीइंग पे है। आपके इमोशंस का जो पेन है वो भी एक रॉक की तरह भारी है, हेवीनेस है उसमें, और वो बहुत फिक्स्ड पॉइंट्स ऑफ व्यूज है वहां पे, सॉलिडिफाइड है, रॉक की तरह सॉलिड है। जब जैसे रॉक को जब फ्रैक किया जाता है तो उसमें से ऑयल निकलता है, वैसे ही जब आपके पेन का हम जब हम फ्रैक करेंगे तो आपको क्या ईज के साथ में आपकी लाइफ में क्या आएगा, ऑयल ऑफ अवेयरनेस। So, are you willing to frack the insanity of your pain? जो भी वहां पे आपने इंसानिटी क्रिएट करी है, अनकॉन्शियसनेस क्रिएटेड है वहां पे, उसको हम इंसानिटी उस पेन की हम जब फ्रैक करेंगे तो क्या उसमें से जो अवेयरनेस है उसको आप रिसीव करने के लिए तैयार हैं?
Yes.
So, Yamini, you have already done it. It's a process that we do in the foundation class, tracking
Hmm.
the insanity of pain, and how many times you are aware of all those tools and processes, but you are not, like, you forget to use them. So, are you now willing to ask the universe to show you all the tools and processes that would come to your rescue as a rescue remedy? So whenever that pain shows up, okay. So
Yes. How does
yes,
it get any
so
better than this? Thank
yes.
you.
Hmm.
Thank you
So
so
right
much.
now, yes. So before I go to that, do that tracking process, like, does anyone have anything else coming up that triggers pain in your body in your life in these situations that you would like to be addressed right now? Any kind of pain that is in your body?
Knee pain.
Knee pain? Is it Reshma?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Reshma. Yeah. Okay. So knee pain. So Reshma, did you try? Who does this belong to for that knee pain?
Yes, ma'am. I am doing that also, and also MTVSs nowadays every day.
Hmm. Yes. Okay.
Medically, there is no issue. I got it checked by orthopedic.
Uh, so what are you? What all those things which you feel, you think that you cannot stand, and you cannot stand, and that is showing up as your knee pain. So something that you cannot stand and everything that brought up. So it like ना कि कुछ चीजें ऐसे है कि ये तो हो ही, मतलब इसको मैं अकेले कैसे इसको मैं पार करूंगी, इसको मैं, like, I would not be able to go through it alone, or as if you feel that I cannot handle it, I cannot stand it anymore. So any
This
that is
this
going,
is, mostly during climbing and climb down the stairs.
that I got it. So I'm
Okay.
not talking about physically what you cannot stand. I'm
Uh-huh.
talking about what is it in your life that you feel that I cannot stand it anymore. बहुत टाइम से, जो बहुत समय से चल रहा है, और अब ये I cannot stand it anymore. So what pain is there in your life which you feel that you cannot stand it anymore and it is showing up as pain in your body? So what if you could connect to your body and ask the body to give you that awareness with more ease?
Okay. Yeah.
Hmm? And you,
Yeah.
if as you change your point of view about it, it would create a difference in your knee pain as well.
Okay.
So, what creation of pain as reality, physical, emotional, financial, marital, or any kind at all, are you using to lock into existence the positional he paths you are choosing? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all?
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So positional he paths. So he paths are something I'm not going to go into details, not even the full form right now. That's not the topic of the discussion today. Then he paths, you can think about something which keeps you paralyzed. तो जब
Okay.
पैरालिटिक या एंट्रोफी जैसा आपके जब बॉडी में कुछ होता है तो आपको ऐसा होता है कि आप इसको ये तो आप इतने ज्यादा इन एक्शन में आ गए हो आप उसको चेंज भी नहीं कर सकते हो वहां पे कोई मूवमेंट भी पॉसिबल नहीं है वहां पे कोई भी चेंज नहीं है आप वहां पे बिल्कुल रुक से गए हो वहां पे Hmm? So
Hmm.
that is what the energy of like when someone is like goes through a paralysis तो उनका क्या होता है ना बिल्कुल ही कमजोर पड़ जाता है इतनी वीकनेस है कि वहां पे मूवमेंट कोई सेंसेशन वहां पे कोई अवेयरनेस भी पॉसिबल नहीं है ना
Hmm.
बॉडी वहां पे बिल्कुल ही वहां पे सब कुछ अवेयरनेस जो सेंसेस हैं वो बहुत ज्यादा वीक हो गए वहां के तो
Yes.
जब यहाँ पे भी आप वहां पे उस तरह का आपने क्रिएट कर लिया है अपनी लाइफ में पोजिशनल ही पैथ्स क्रिएट करे हैं आपने सो व्हाट क्रिएशन ऑफ पेन एज रियलिटी physical, emotional, financial, marital, or any kind at all are you using to lock into existence the positional he paths you are choosing? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all?
Yes, ma'am.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. And how many positional heat paths do you have to make sure you continue to buy your point of view, either yours or from somebody else, about your body or your conditions? And everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right,
Yes.
no, good and bad, pot and bock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So this positional heat pads clearings are running really strong on you all guys. So how many positional heat pads do you have to make sure you continue to buy your point of view or from somebody else about your body or your condition? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right
Yes.
and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So pain is a way that we use to avoid awareness and to avoid changing anything in our lives. So
Mm.
everywhere we resist change, we avoid receiving awareness, and we want to maintain status quo. It it converts into an intensity of awareness that we start naming as pain. So, if you are in pain, try asking. Use this tool. What awareness am I avoiding with the pain I am choosing?
Okay.
What awareness am
And
I avoiding
avoid with
with
the
the
pain and
pain I am choosing?
choosing.
What awareness am I avoiding with the tears I am I am using? So if you are in some kind of an emotional pain and where you feel very sad and the tears roll down from your eyes, so what awareness am I avoiding with the tears I am using?
Using.
And yes, and what awareness am I avoiding with the unhappiness I am choosing?
Yeah.
And everything that brought up, will you please destroy and create it all times a concilium? Right and
Yes.
wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyond.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hmm. So these are the tools which are given in this book called Right Body for You.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So I'm sharing these tools from that book. So it's not in the any of the like foundation class manuals. So this is from where. Now many of us like, and like we have been
Hello.
using this. Haji
Good,
Shiv.
good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Haji.
I have basically I have a compressed fracture in my left part, knee and above,
Mm-hmm.
and so whenever I turns my body, I used to get pain, but doctor is saying there is no solution for this fracture, this compressed fracture, and I am bearing pain so many times. But someone said me that it may you get this solution from Tasnim, ma'am.
No, no. So I don't have a solution. It's your body has its own solution. So
So so
everybody, all
so
our
guide me,
body,
please. So
yes,
guide me, please.
yeah. So all the bodies have the capacity to heal themselves.
Mm.
Self healing is in your body. So would you allow your body to heal? And so first of all, would you stop judging your body? बॉडी के
Yes.
लिए आप
First,
जितनी भी बार आपने जजमेंट्स किए और उसको रॉन्ग किया, उससे शिकायत की, कहना कि मैं ये नहीं हो रहा है।
mm,
जस्ट
जी.
अ मिनट, देयर इज सम notification which is not going away. Okay, so are you willing to be, आप आपकी बॉडी के ग्रेटिट्यूड में रहिए, उसे
जी.
अलाउंस, उसको उसको रहिए कि कुछ बॉडी बोलना चाह रही है, कुछ बॉडी अवेयरनेस देना चाह रही है, ये पेन के जरिए से आपको कुछ किसी तरफ ले जाना चाह रही है।
Yeah.
तो क्या आप वहां जाने को, वो सब चीजें देखने को तैयार हैं जहां पे कि
हाँ.
बॉडी आपको ले जा
Yes.
रही है?
Yes. Really.
एंड आप अपनी बॉडी बॉडी से बोलिए कि कैन वी हैव दिस ऑल विथ मोर ईज।
Okay.
So again, the same questions. What awareness am I avoiding with the pain I am choosing? What
With
awareness am I avoiding
I'm
with the
living
pain
with the
I am
pain
choosing?
I'm choosing.
What awareness are you avoiding with the pain are you choosing? And everything that does not allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that awareness with total ease, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. तो आपकी बॉडी आपको अवेयरनेस देगी, और जो एक्सेस में बॉडी प्रोसेसेस होती हैं,
जी.
जहाँ पे कि ना, और वो जो बॉडी प्रोसेसेस आपका कनेक्शन जो है आपकी बॉडी से, तो आपका
Mm.
जब आप किसी चीज से टोटली कनेक्टेड होते हैं तो आप वहां पे आपको जो आपका, जैसे आप किसी के साथ में, किसी फ्रेंड के साथ में आपका बहुत अच्छा कनेक्शन है, आप
जी.
भले से आप चाहें उससे बात ना भी करें, आपका
Mm.
वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन ना भी हो, तो भी आपको समझ
Mm.
में आ जाता है कि वो क्या कम्युनिकेट करना चाह रहे हैं।
Yeah. Yeah.
कनेक्शन क्या आप अपनी बॉडी से बनाने के लिए तैयार हैं, कि आपकी बॉडी आपको क्या बोलना चाह रही है, वो क्या अवेयरनेस देना चाह रही है, आप टोटली उससे रिसीव करने के लिए तैयार हो।
Yes. Yes. Really. Yes.
यस, सो जो एक्सेस की बॉडी प्रोसेसेस है, आपको वही कनेक्शन स्टैब्लिश करते हैं आपकी और आपकी बॉडी के बीच में, ताकि
जी.
आपकी बॉडी बिल्कुल वो सब चीजें इजीली
Mm.
आप समझ पाएँ जो कि आपकी बॉडी को चाहिए है, और जब आप उसको वो चीज़ दे देते हैं, वो आप प्रोवाइड कर देते हैं,
Mm.
उसकी बात सुन लेते हैं, तो
जी.
आपकी बॉडी का वो पेन भी चला जाता है।
Thank you.
या सो आप ये क्लियरिंग तो आप कीजिए ही, ये क्वेश्चन बार-बार आप अपने उसमें पूछिए, व्हाट अवेयरनेस एम आई अवॉइडिंग विद द पेन आई एम चूजिंग? And
Okay.
everything that does not allow me to perceive, know, be, and receive that awareness with
Okay.
total ease, I destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine
All
shades,
night
spice.
shots, boys and girls.
तो मैं ये रिकॉर्डिंग्स शेयर करूंगी, इसका रिप्ले शेयर हो जाएगा, आप उसको फिर से रिप्ले में से सुन के आप इसको लिख सकते हैं,
जी.
इसको लिख लीजिए और आप इसको
जी.
रोज रख लीजिए, कहीं पे आपके उसमें कुछ चेंज आएगा इससे।
जी. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. So many a times it happens that we have some pain, some kind of a pain. It could be a pain in your body or somewhere, some other kind of pain which we try to ignore. कि ये तो सबके साथ में ही होता ही रहता है, it's quite common. और you might just want, like, nothing can be done about it, you have given up on it, and you try to ignore it. So as you ignore more and more of it, it gets more solidified and fixed into your body. क्योंकि आप वो सुन ही नहीं रहे, बॉडी बोले जा रही है, आप सुन नहीं रहे हैं उसकी बात. So what are the questions that you can ask to your body in that case? What if you didn't refuse or ignore the sensation, but instead enjoyed it and asked? तो अभी आपकी बॉडी में जो पेन शो अप हो रहा है, जो नीज में है रेशमा आपको, और मिस्टर डोले आपको जो आपके फ्रैक्चर्ड जॉइंट, जहाँ पे भी आपको फ्रैक्चर है, कंप्रेस्ड फ्रैक्चर में जो आपको पेन है, उसके लिए आप उसको पेन की तरह, डिस्कम्फर्ट की तरह ना देख के, अगर आप उसको एक एंजॉयमेंट की तरह देखें, एक अलग तरह के सेंसेशन की तरह देखें, और बॉडी से पूछे, ओके बॉडी, व्हाट डू यू नीड फ्रॉम मी हियर? व्हाट डू यू रिक्वायर? व्हाट डू यू डिजायर? व्हाट आर यू टेलिंग मी दैट आई एम नॉट विलिंग टू हियर? So these are the 4 questions that you can ask your body. Body, what do you need from me here? What do you require? What do you desire? What are you telling me that I am not willing to hear? So one lady in one of the classes, she had shared that uska bahut zyada, like there was a lot of heavy body weight that she had put on, and she was asking her body that what is it that her body desires. And the awareness that she received from her body was that the only thing that her body desired was to be puffed. जो पाउडर बच्चों को पफ पाउडर लगाया जाता है पफ से, जब छोटे बेबीज को, हर है ना, और जैसी उसकी मदर ने बहुत, जब वो छोटी थी तब उसको जिस तरह से पाउडर लगाया पफ से, उसकी बॉडी चाहती थी कि उस तरह से उसको बॉडी को पाउडर लगाया जाए, and then it would feel very cared for, happy, taken care of. So what she did, she started puffing her body with a nice, like अच्छा वाला पफ लेके उसने बॉडी पे पाउडर से पफ करना चालू किया, and she lost 25 pounds of weight from her body. So are you willing to provide your body whatever it is desiring for? And it could be very simple things. Your body might want to eat something. Probably it wants to eat an ice cream, but you have a point of view that ice cream is not good for health. It would cause you cold and cough, or it has a lot of sugar, and it would cause you, like, it would not be good for your uh, uh, health and your body weight, and it would give you more calories. So that was an example. So are you willing to ask your body what it desires to eat, what it desires to wear, what kind of touch it would like to have, what kind of sensations it enjoys? Like, my body enjoys to be in water, so I like to be in like a hot water bath, like, or swimming, or just filling that warm water in the bathtub and sitting over there makes my body feel extremely good. So are you willing to ask your body what it requires? So Reshma, have you asked your body for that knee pain, that what it would like to have, what does
Yeah,
it desire?
yeah, I'll ask this way now.
Yes, please ask your body. Connect to your body and ask it what it requires. And you might get that awareness. It might seem very silly, but just trust your awareness, trust your knowing. Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't,
Mm.
don't go into judgments.
Yeah.
If you are holding on to any kind of pain, so you might be ignoring the pain or you might be holding on to some pain कि इसको तो नहीं जाने दे सकते हैं क्योंकि इसी से तो अपनी आइडेंटिटी है. If you have like, so people start identifying themselves with their pain. So if they have lost someone in their life and they would keep talking about that, they would keep like grieving for years and years and years, as if that pain is the only thing that would uh, give them attention, that would give them value. So ask, if the, for all the pains that you are holding on to, ask yourself, do I really need this pain, and what am I using this pain for? So you might be using that pain for having people around you, for having people talk to you, for having people care for you, for having those friends. And everything that brought up, will you please now destroying and uncreate it all times a godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and peons. So now, if I would like ask each one of you to write now, so we are now doing that fracking process to frack the insanity of the pain that you have created in your body, that you have been ignoring, and that you have been holding on to. So just get present to the pains, all your pains in your body, in your financial reality, in your relationship, in your profession, career, okay. And now get the energy of that pain right now, how it feels in your body. Where do you get that sensation of pain? And now we'll be fracking that pain, and like you have to see, like when I say one, like you this is for those who have done the foundation class, access foundation class, they know how to, you all know how to use 1 2 3s. And for those who have not done it yet, like we use like we 1 2 3, this kind of like we use this, you create that energy, अपनी मुट्ठी में वो एनर्जी क्रिएट करेंगे with your into your hands, and then at the count of 3 you will just let it go. 1 2 3, 1 2 3, this kind of like you do it as I say 1 2 3, you do it at your end also, and you use your fingers like this. Okay, so get the energy of all that pain and everything that is. Will you now frack the insanity that holds all that pain in place? So, at the count of 3, frack the insanity of all your pains. So, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. And what if pain was not the need of change, but pain was the choice of creating more? So instead of looking at pain as a wrongness, what if pain was the awareness, the choice that would create more in your life? And everywhere you have made the pain wrong and judged it without receiving the awareness, will you please now destroy and create it all times a quadrillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. And everything that does not allow you to use the pain to your advantage and to create much more in your life with the awareness that this pain is giving you. Will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a quadrillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracles, mysteries, and possibilities can you and your body be to always receiving the awareness from the pain and using it to create more possibilities and greater life for you for all eternity. And everything that does not allow it, will you please destroy and create it all times a quadrillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay, and do you want me any more questions? Sorry. Any more questions, or do you want me to run some more clearings for the right body for you?
Clearings.
Clearings, yes, okay. So, what physical actualization of terminal, eternal, and infectious disease of the choice of the CCCRs for the creation of the wrongness of no pain and the rightness of no change do you have that maintains and entrains everything that you cannot change, choose, and institute as the total joy in living? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What physical actualization of the terminal, eternal, and infectious disease of the choice of the CCCRs for the creation of the wrongness of no pain and the rightness of no change do you have that maintains and entrains everything that you cannot change, choose, and institute as the total joy in living? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. How many positional hepads do you have to keep the psychological mumbo jumbo that you use to justify all your limitations in existence? A lot, little, or megatons, or beyond megatons. Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So everywhere you have made your limitations, your pains so true that you cannot even see and acknowledge that they are all your creations and it's your psychological mumbo jumbo. Yeah. And you have always been like justifying your pains, your limitations, and the limitations in existence so that you can prove that you exist and you belong to this reality and you are normal. So, everything that does not allow you to create beyond this reality and be the abnormal, unique, different person that you are, will you please now destroy and create it all times a godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Everything that does not allow you to celebrate your difference in body, in being from everyone else on this planet Earth, uh, which is causing this pain and keep keeping it in place. Will you please now destroy and then create it all times a godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What creation of the rightness and wrongness, specially of you, as reality, are you using to lock into existence the positional he paths you are choosing? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. What creation of the rightness and wrongness, especially of you as a reality, are you using to lock into existence the positional he paths you are choosing? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will it destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. And what creation of pain as reality, physical, emotional, financial, marital, or any kind at all, are you using to lock into existence the positional he paths you are choosing? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So, can anyone ever hurt you? So how much of your emotional pain is due to the hurts that you think anyone else has caused you? He or she did that to me, they hurt me, and they have caused me so much of pain. So as for Yamini, as if like she's like a Yamini, how much is your, can your can your son actually hurt you, or can do each one of you us choose to be hurt? No one can make you happy, no one can make you sad, no one can hurt you. In fact, when it appears that people are hurting you, they are hurting me, actually they are hurting themselves. Most of the times they are so much hurt, they are like so much in judgment of themselves that it appears that they are judging you and hurting you. And their pain comes out as something which hurts you. So, what creation of pain as reality, physical, emotional, financial, marital, or any kind at all, are you using to lock into existence the positional he paths you are choosing? Everything that is times a consonant, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. How many positional he paths do you have to make sure you don't know that you know? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. How many positional he paths do you have to make sure that you can't perceive what you can perceive? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. How many positional he paths do you have to make sure you can't receive what you can receive? So you might not even, you can't even receive the awareness that your body is giving you. And everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. How many positional he paths do you have to make sure you have never have to be what you truly be? Everything that is times a quadrillion, will you destroy and create it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So, how much of the pain that is there in your body or in your life is actually an awareness of your hidden potency, your capacities that want to be now seen and heard and come out in the universe, and that is causing a lot of pain. So, are you willing to get away from your own way and allow all those potencies and capacities to be seen? Are you willing to be seen as the potent creator, the powerful being that you truly are? We have been creating hepads over millions of years, and they exist on many different levels. So it is often beneficial to repeat processes like these many times. You can put these processes on a loop and play it at night. So you might want to put this or like a recording from this call, like especially the clearings that we did, on a loop while you are sleeping during night. Play it on a repeat mode, because you don't have to pay cognitive attention for them to work dynamically. So how beautiful it is, and how did we get so lucky to have these all these access clearing processes which just remove all these stuck energies even while we are sleeping. And everything that does not allow you to run these processes and receive all the awareness, all the greatness of you. By using all these tools and processes, will you please now destroy and uncreate it all times a godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay, so we have 5 more minutes to go. So if anyone has any question, I'm happy to take it on. So how many of you are have are universal surrogates? So just ask, like, don't try to understand what universal surrogate is. Just as I'm asking this question, just get the awareness. Truth, are you a universal surrogate? So universal surrogate is an oath or vow some in some lifetime that you made, that you took on, that you would be taking on all the pains and sufferings for all the people in the world and make it as yours. सब लोगों का दुख दर्द हम ले लेंगे, उनको हील कर देंगे और उसको अपना बना देंगे. And that might be causing pain in your body and in your life. So you vow, it's like a blood oath. कि मैंने अपने ओथ ले ली है, बहुत ज्यादा प्रण लिया हुआ है वो. सो यू वो वाव टू टेक ऑन अदर पीपल्स कैंसर, पेन, सफरिंग, डिजीज, वेट, unhappiness and misery, so they can be happy. You become a high priest or priestess as the universal surrogate. So are you now willing to give away all those oaths and vows that you made in any lifetime to be the universal surrogate and take on every other person's pain as yours? Yes, this is appearing as huge right now. It's very heavy. So are you willing to give up that oath vow to be the universal surrogate? Can I have some
Yes.
yes, please? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
please.
yes, please.
Yes, I do.
So much energy.
Yes, it has a lot of energy. Somehow it has so much of energy. So, would you like to give up all the oaths, vows, swearings, fealties, communalities, and commitments that you made in any lifetime to be the universal and everything that is times a quadrillion? Will you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes, I
Yes.
do.
Long, good and bad, pot and pop, all nine shorts, twice and three.
Hasni ma'am,
मैम
as
मैम एक क्वेश्चन था.
So,
मैम
there are,
अगर मैंने अभी अपने बेटे का भी लिया हो तो भी कर सकती हूँ, किसी का
हाँ
भी,
हाँ कर सकते हैं आप.
इस लाइफ टाइम का.
किसी भी हर लाइफ टाइम का, हर लाइफ टाइम का, all the like from all the lifetimes that you are creating this pain of relationship with your son, you can hear. And I think, yeah,
Yeah, hello, Tasneem ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
Himanshi.
as soon as you said this clearing, my heart it became all of a sudden very heavy, and afterwards I said yes, I let it go. I
Yes.
was relaxed, so it was
Wow.
something. Yeah, it was something since lifespans. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm getting
So
that.
universal surrogate is a oath vow that we have taken from like many past lifetimes, and we continue to do that over every lifetime. हर लाइफटाइम में वो सारे पेन हम लेके बैठे रहते हैं. सो यू रिलीज अ लॉट. एक बहुत बड़ा एक बोझ अपने कंधे से उतार देते हैं जब हम वो प्रण को छोड़ देते हैं कि अब ये खत्म है, अब नहीं चाहिए.
मैम एक बार ये लास्ट वाला क्लियरिंग फिर से करेंगे? आई
हाँ,
आई
करो.
फेल्ट लाइक सम हैवीनेस इन द थ्रोट एंड जैसे वॉमिट का फील.
Okay, so give me a moment. There are, okay, universal surrogate key. So all the oaths, vows, swearings, fealties, communalities, binding and bonding contracts and commitments that you have made in any lifetime to be the universal surrogate to take on other people's pains, sufferings, sadness, disease, unhappiness, and misery so that they can be happy. Everything that is times a godzillion will you destroy and uncreate it all.
Yes.
Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and peons. So all the oaths, vows, swearings, fealties, communalities, binding and bonding contracts, and commitments that you made in any lifetime to be the universal surrogate, will you please now revoke, recant, resign, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all times a godzillion.
Yes.
Wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyond. All the oaths, vows, swearings, fealties, communalities, commitments, binding and bonding contracts that that you made in any lifetime to be the universal surrogate, taking on other people's cancer, pain, suffering, disease, weight, unhappiness, and misery so that they can be happy. Are you now willing to revoke, recant, resign, reclaim, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all times a godzillion? Yes, right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all night shorts, boys and beyond. So you might want to run this clearing also like number of times. All the oaths, vows, swearings, fealties, communalities, binding and bonding contracts and commitments that I have made in any lifetime to be the universal surrogate to take on and other people's pains, sufferings, disease, weight, unhappiness, and misery so that they can be happy. I now revoke, recant, resign, reclaim, renounce, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all times a godzillion. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and peons. Oh, so just put down the all your barriers and let this clearing run on you. Let this process run on you. So all the oaths, vows, swearings, fealties, communalities, commitments, binding and bonding contracts that you have made in any lifetime to be the universal surrogate, taking up on other people's pain, sufferings, disease, weight, unhappiness, and misery, so that they can be happy. Can you please now revoke, recant, resign, reclaim, denounce, destroy, and uncreate it all times a godzillion? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay, how is it feeling for you, Reshma, now? And Himanshi?
Yeah, a lot of burping happened और थोड़ा सा हैवीनेस रहा है बट आई थिंक इट इज डेसिपेटिंग फ्रॉम माय हैंड्स tingling sensation.
Yeah, it was very light now, as if I've acknowledged that thing, and now I'm letting it go.
Yes.
I felt that. Yeah.
Okay. So, okay. So how many more times would you have to run those clearings to let it all go away from your body, wherever it has been locked up, and your whole system? Yeah. So run that process on loop.
Yeah.
And like put it on repeat throughout the night, and like let it run on you.
Yes.
Yes.
Will the recording be available immediately?
Like I will like give me an hour's time.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
And are you on that Telegram group?
No, not yet. I just saw like for the registration you need to be added. So I was
Yeah.
looking for the link actually.
So you haven't received it? Like you would have received a welcome email.
Yeah, maybe I'll just check it, then I'll come to
So
know.
check your email. You would like there is a welcome email, and in that email there is the link to join the Telegram group. And if you
Okay,
don't
sure.
get it, just feel free to ping me on
Sure, ma'am.
and I will share with you that Telegram group if you
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
find it.
yeah.
And I'll share the replay on that group as well as on my WhatsApp group, Phenomenons group.
Yeah, I'm there in the group. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'll share it there as well.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you so much for joining in. Thank you, everyone. And one more thing, like I would put it on the groups as well, and on the Telegram group and others elsewhere also. So there is a function in my family, a wedding. So I will not be doing these clarity nights for next 3-4 weeks. So I'll see you again probably in the last week of November now.
How does it get any better?
I'll be busy with that, so probably
Yeah.
I will not be able to come like be on the clarity nights, and I want to be with my family more. So like, and you have all of them, all the earlier clarity nights, and lot of like these energy pulls that I had done. So all of them are available on the Facebook and other places. I'll keep sharing those, and just enjoy yourself, receive more from them.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Reshma, for joining in and for asking questions.
Thank
That
you.
always opens so much for everyone. Thank you, everyone, and
Thank
bye
you.
bye.
Bye
Yeah,
bye. Good night.
wonderful weekend. Good night.